Good evening. Are streamers being paid less? Not only on Kick, but Twitch and other platforms, including YouTube. Are you a streamer? Are you being paid less? We're going to talk specifically about Kick tonight and the KPP program. I've noticed everywhere that people are saying Kick payouts are down. KPP got silently nerfed, like the rocket launcher in Season 3. I'm streaming the same amount of time, but making way less. And if you're a person making those statements, you are not alone. If you feel like this is you, you are not crazy, or perhaps you are crazy, but not about this. The feeling you have is real, but the reason for the feeling may not be what you think. Let's validate. You are earning less on Kick right now, and other platforms too, than what you were a few months ago, even though you may be putting forth the same amount of effort. That is happening to a lot of creators. So when people say Kick didn't change something, that's only half true. When some people say Kick slashed their payout percentage, that's not necessarily true. They changed how measurements are being done behind the scene. They changed how they measure engagement, which is directly affecting KPP. And that is what we're going to explain now. Earnings on Kick, for example, is from subscriptions, which is an easy part. That has not changed. The formula for subscriptions is the subscription price times 95%. So for example, if you have 100 subs at $5 each, you will gross $500. The creator will get to keep $475, while Kick will keep $25. That is actually a superb deal for the creator. Method number 2, the KPP engagement pool, is where payouts do feel nerfed. This is not a fixed rate per viewer per hour. It is instead what Kick sets aside as a monthly KPP payout pool, and then it distributes it based on weighted engagement scores. You are competing against other partners, not earning a flat CPM. Kick does not publish the exact weights of this. The model is that your share equals your authentic engagement score divided by the total platform engagement score multiplied by the monthly KPP pool. Engagement score equals authentic watch time times chat activity times viewer trust. Watch time equals real viewers times minutes watched. Real viewers only counts as logged in users, stable sessions, non-bot traffic, and fake views zeroed or penalized. So now Kick has been penalizing bot viewers. So remember, with KPP, you are competing with every other partner every month. Kick is moving toward an advertiser-safe, fraud-resistant, sustainable payout, allowing others to advertise and use services, confidently knowing that they're paying for good services. Are you a streamer and being paid less? Do you wonder if Kick streamers, Twitch streamers, or YouTube streamers are being paid less? Let's talk about what's happening. A lot of talk about on Twitter and other sites is streamers being paid less. Multiple platforms, including YouTube and other sites as well. Streamers being paid less. Platforms, including YouTube, Twitch, and Kick. We're going to talk specifically about Kick tonight and the KPP program. People have been saying, am I being paid less? Feeling that something has changed. That feeling is real, but the reason may not be what you think.